Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make bricks using plastic. First, gather your plastic waste, like old bottles and containers. You'll need about 250 grams of plastic for each standard brick. Next, clean the plastic thoroughly to remove any dirt or labels. Then, shred it into small, uniform pieces, roughly 1/4 inch in size. This preparation is crucial for creating a consistent and strong brick material. Once your plastic is shredded, it's time to melt it down. Gently heat the plastic to around 175 degrees Celsius, ensuring it becomes fully molten but doesn't burn. Then, carefully mix in an aggregate, like sand or crushed stone, at a ratio of 1 part plastic to 3 parts aggregate. This addition significantly increases the brick's strength and density. Stir continuously until you have a thick, homogeneous mixture, ready for molding. Now, carefully pour the hot, mixed material into your brick molds. These molds can be made from metal or sturdy wood. Ensure the molds are completely filled, then apply significant pressure to compact the mixture. This step is vital for removing air pockets and creating a dense, strong brick. Let the bricks cool naturally for at least 24 hours. Once fully cooled, they will be solid and ready to be removed from their molds. Making bricks from plastic offers numerous advantages. Firstly, it's an incredible way to repurpose plastic waste, diverting millions of kilograms from landfills. These bricks are also remarkably durable, often stronger than traditional clay bricks, and highly resistant to water and pests. Furthermore, they provide superior insulation, potentially reducing heating and cooling costs by up to 20%. This sustainable building material has vast potential for eco-friendly construction projects worldwide.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.